Del Campo here. Done a lot of stuff to this car in the last couple of weeks. We know it's towing in a little further than it should be, but I need to see where the steering wheel is. And if steering wheel's off center, we're only going to make the adjustment on one side to correct to center the steering wheel back up, if that makes sense. We're leaving the hood open right now because I'm going to start it up. I want Kim to take a look just to make sure we don't have any leaks or anything, because a lot of stuff's been apart. And then she'll close the hood. I'll go out and drive the car, see where the steering wheel is positioned, come back here, and we'll wrap up the tow set on it.
I'm just here recording while you do the stuff.
Okay.
In case anything goes wacky.
If anything goes wacky, you want to get that. That's content.
That's right. We absolutely don't want to miss wackiness.
Well, shit. Guess what? Glove compartment light was on too long.
Well, we did a lot of work on light bulbs.
And we did light bulbs and all that stuff. So now the battery's too dead to start the engine.
Okay, I'll get the jumper starter. All right, we got the battery charged. Take two. See if you can get it.
Try to start it. Hopefully the battery's charged.
I'm gonna open the door. Driving it now.
Oh, it's way better. Yeah, it feels kind of like I remember these things. They weren't, this one never did feel as good as my old one. The V8 in it, man, that thing was, it was a non-stock 302, not like some race engine, but it was kind of a one-door straight engine. So, a little bit of gas and it'd take off, Okay, this is interesting. We're driving the Zed Sled around, and we've got about 10 miles on it now since we did the engine, and it's running great. It steers better, everything's better. And we pull up to a stop, or I made a right turn, I guess, from a stop, and as I'm straightening out, a mouse comes up from under the seat somewhere, runs across my lap, up here, and shoots out the window. I got the window open. Shoots out the window. It really startled me, and I looked in the mirror and I see the mouse on the street just running around crazy circles as we drive off. It's like, what? I guess there was a mouse in the shop. We knew that. But I guess he went in the car and now he left. So we lost our mouse.